Okay, good afternoon from the Netherlands. We're going to start up this CBX1000 Pro Link. This bike is so beautiful. It's a first owner bike and it now has 79,000 on the clock, and the engine was complete rebuilt 3,000 kilometers earlier by the D specialist for the Honda 6-cylinders in the Netherlands, 6 Center. Invoice is with the bike, 4,500 euro, all done. So this engine runs like a new one. Paintwork is original. Beautiful color. The bike has Dutch papers. Tires are new. And the reason the owner sells the bike, he's got some health problems and the CBX is too heavy for him. So it was not easy to let go of this beautiful bike for him. And I can understand when you have the bike from 1983 and he took care of it like he did. The engine is really quiet. Paintwork is original. The only thing this bike has is here around the fuel cap. It's possible to repaint that. It's not done yet, but for the rest the bike is really very, very nice. I love the color with the blue stripes. So not repainted, all original. We didn't polish the bike yet, so we're going to clean it and make detailed pictures and it will look even more beautiful. The seat is not original. We have the original seat with the bike, but then the cover of that is not perfect, so you have to put a new cover on it if you want to have the original seat on it again. Really nice. Like the chrome, when I polished the chrome tubes, they look really like new. It's a beautiful CBX Pro Link. If you are interested in this CBX first owner bike, complete rebuilt engine, new tires, serviced, contact me for price, detailed pictures, and we can ship worldwide. We can make you an offer if you have an address or name of the harbor, and then you can be the new owner of this beautiful 6-cylinder, the CBX Pro Link, 1983 first registration. So thank you for watching again. Don't forget, keep following us on our YouTube channel and subscribe so we get more followers. Thank you. Bye bye.